Hey, this is Mark from Kalleco Nursery. We're here with you Thursday 3. We're here to talk about a paver, a plant, and a product. Our paver for the week is something I really like. This is rustic, a Lafitt Rustic Slab from Belgard. It comes in 3-piece pattern and offered in 5 different colors. I'm a fan of this because it's a large scale paver that if you see the joint space, it's got a lot less joint space. So if you have a landscape that has a lot of weeds and ants and you have all like a small brick and you have that problem, this is a good answer because it cuts down the joint space and it looks like natural. It's got a little bit of cleft to it, so it looks like natural stone. Love this product. We use it all the time. Our plant is Salvia. This is Caradonna. We also carry Meadow. This is a great plant if you've got a wide variety of soils. It does really well. If you've got full sun, this is a plant for you. Smells great, easy to care for, and it does well in, looks great in large mass plantings as well as if you have a small little perennial garden. We try to keep this in stock, and we really like this as for our staff because we know when people leave with it, it's a real winner for them. Our product is pea gravel. It's a nice product for an answer in between. If you want an area that does not have a lot of foot traffic, but you also don't want to have bare soil, this is great for a little walkway. It's comfortable to walk on barefoot. We use this under decks for utility areas, maybe little walking paths that give an area for less than you need for foot traffic all the time. So it's a great product for what we use. So that's your Thursday 3. I hope that helps you out. See you soon.